Hi, let's start the topic. The main topic is the organic organic chemistry. Okay, well, here we start again. The main topic is our organic chemistry. So here, the organic chemistry is the branch of the chemistry, branch of chemistry. In this, we may discuss the chemistry of carbon is known as the organic chemistry. So here we take a specific topic that explain about the organic chemistry here, that is the chemical reaction of organic chemistry. As we know that a lots of chemical reactions are present due to millions of organic compounds still discovered naturally and artificially synthesize a lots of the organic chemistry because well known the history about. So we can't memorize. The reason we can't memorize a lots of reactions. So here we divide the reactions into some classification, into some categorize to memorize easily all the reactions. So here we basically we discuss the mechanism. Mechanism means the way followed by the reactants to convert into products. Reactants in a chemical equation will be right on the left hand side, and on the right hand side there is the products. So how these reactants converted into the products, the way followed by the reactants to convert into reactants is called as mechanism. Understand all these the terminology, basic terminology. So here the main theme we have discussed in these topics in this lecture, that is mainly the mechanism, how reactants converted into the products. Lots of reactions are present, we can't memorize one by one all of these, so we just in general classify all the reactions into some classes, as we in the nomenclature is one of them, where we classify all the uh, compound according to their function groups. That's we easily memorize and easily recognize according to their properties and their behavior and their physical and chemical properties. So here the to such this is the we have discussed about introduction. Now here we take the example of chlorination of methane. What it's mean, the chlorination of methane? second topic is the chlorination of methane. Chlorination of methane. So first of all, what is methane? This is the chemical organic compound. This is an organic compound. Their molecular formula is CH4 and the structure look like that, making tetrahedral shape. Like that tetrahedral shape. So this is the simplest organic compound that belongs to a family known as alkane. The physical part here, this is the a gas. CH4 is the gas, the states of matter. So this is the gas. So here the chlorination. What is the mean of chlorination? The word derived from basically the chlorine, that is the halogen. Simple, that is halogen. So here in simple we say that the addition of chlorine into the methane, if we here write the meaning to easily, addition of chlorine to methane. So how these chlorine add up into the methane? Look like if we here write the chemical equation, CH4 methane plus Cl2, that is converted into CH3Cl plus HCl. That's here I write the chemical equation. So what's its mean? So how this reaction is formed? What is the basic mechanism, the way? So one thing that is happening is known as substitution. This is one of the class of chemical reaction. So substitution here occur. Substitution reaction is formed. Substitution reaction, that is one the class. So what is substitution? Substitution mean that replacement. If we write the other meaning of substitution is replacement. Here we can easily see that the here CH4 is present and CH3. One of hydrogen is removed from here. There is Cl2. Two chlorine atom are present, and one of chlorine atom is replace the hydrogen, and then in the product side this is. So how this conversion is occur? So here we discuss the mechanism that followed by the this reaction, that is known as the substitution. Here can I elaborate more? This is the structure of CH4 methane plus Cl2 that's converted into CH3 Ca3, and here the Cl replaced plus hydrogen and Cl. So here you can easily say that in left hand side, that is the reactant side, the here is present is CH, and here is now Cl replaced the position of hydrogen, and that is present. So now you can easily see that the substitution replacement reactions. So what is the reaction mechanism theme? And one is thing how these reactions occur. The simple, we take and methane gas and chlorine gas mix up, and how these mix up, and if they when you mix these two, the reaction is formed or not. What is the requirements? So here I put on the arrow that show the direction of products. We have there is some conditions needed to fulfill these reactions, that HV. HV means light. There is the must be light there must be light present and or heat. These are the requirements to fulfill these reactions. So here we take the mechanism. So first of all, the mechanism is that chlorine gas, Cl and the Cl, when it absorbs the light, most of the blue light, when it absorbs the light, that is split into two parts. That show that there is the homolytical cleavage. Homolytical cleavage are free radical formations. Homolytically means that the bond break from the middle. As we know that the bond formed with the pair of electrons and equally sharing electrons. So here each one take their own electron that is shared and converted to a radical formed. So this radical form remove the hydrogen from the reactant side and converted into HCl and make the methane as free radical. And now the next chlorine free radical, and this radical combine to make CH3Cl. So here we see that the red formation. So what is the radical formation? Free radical. and species that have the electron in odd number. So this is called the free radical. As we see in that Ca3 free radical, Cl dotted line free radical, and then we see that they combine they form Ca3C. This is the short introduction here we discuss. Now we take the where we start so here we start the study of chemical reaction that we mainly discuss the organic chemistry reaction mechanism, organic chemistry branch of chemistry in which we the study of carbon, main discussion is our study of carbon. So some introduction mean that we have discussed the mechanism, how react converted into the products, the what will be the path that had followed by the reactants, and what is the conditions that requires to fulfill for the completion of the reactions. And then we take the an example of chlorination of methane as an example to explain a reaction type of reaction that is the substitution reaction. So lots of reactions that followed the same mechanism, that is the substitution reactions. That's all. And at the end we some share mechanism and then free radical. That's all for today. Thanks for compromise. Thanks for joining. Allah Hafiz.